James, like, same. Brett, you look better. What do you call that? Like that linis mo.
Your? Walang juberies.
Bulok. No. And then, said, Ivan, look same. Look nice mo. Then,
Wag mong sabihin yan!
What? I'm just saying.
I'm telling you.
I'm not saying anything. Wait, Wait.
Ang sama mo!
And looks the same but little chubbier. Chubbier.
Ang sama mo!
Jenny looks the same though.
Okay.
Then,
Yeah, I know.
Then, what else? Devon looks better on TV though. Then ikaw,
Bakit?
you look good though. Wow.
Huwag kang maglaya. Ang sama mo!
I said you look good. Sama mo.
Ano sinabi nila yan?
Good.
Kara, So mean.
What? What?
So anti-Karen. Ang sama mo! Ayoko na.
Your hair looks nice.
Your hair looks nice.
Wow.
Your hair looks nice. Your hair looks nice.
No.
Yeah, of course, kasi ako nag-plansya. It's my time.
Hi, Petit.
Bakit?
I'm gonna go sleep because
Doesn't
you're
mean-
nicer in my dreams.
Ato siya. Ato na isa day. Kani kay...
You're so funny, huh?
Mapasok ka.
Ha! What's wrong with you?
Mugiin ko, mapasok ka. Ako magilig ka eh.
Why did you do that, huh? Trying to make me on purpose, huh?
Sama mo
It worked.
Grabe maglagay ng sunlock.
Man, James, come on, man, join in. Join the party. Yeah.
What kind of party is this?
Swimming party.
Happy birthday, Rainbow!
I think my fish burnt already.
Unsa?
Oh, si Ann. Ikaw na ako. Marunong ba?
Di, nagpa-sweat me. Nagbutang galing kong sunblock. Para mo sweat. Diba, huwag mo sweat mo sauna mo payat. Oo. Nagpapawis me. Mga ganit nag-jacket. Kinsa ba? Yes. Kinsa ba? Kinsa ba? Kim. Ikaw kasabot.
Ha? Ay, na-friend na mo na right now. Kim ba? Sige.
Sunblock. Okay lang.
James,
Hindi ko kilala.
if you go in after sunblock, if you sunblock, if you go
Mura
in inside the
kasi.
water, it might erase, no?
Come on.
What?
The way I told you that before. She comes out of the water soaking wet.
Buti, di bagay?
Yeah.
Nice man.
Close up onto you, rub it into your skin. It's all just lumber.
We have to wait.
Ano ba ka pareho mo?
You have to wait a little bit.
Ay, really? Ewan ko sinispas niya.
Ay, di ka, ano, niya?
Sa picture, di ko ba pa niya? Means anything to you.
Oh. Mura Jude. Oh my God.
Carl? Fritzy, sali. Mupayat ka.
I'm your sister.
Matang, di ba? Og sweat, matang ang mga fat. Tawa ako
Pero
nga.
dito, mag-sweat din naman dito.
Yung nag-sweat na.
Kasi mainit din.
Andyan.
Oh, si.
Ako po, nagsa-start na. Oh. Sana. No. So that I'll sweat more.
You know, you might get passed out.
I'm okay. Later.
Masunog kayo kasi udtong tutok.
Sunog naman ko.
Masakit yan dito. Naka-feel.
Oh. Nag-sweat na ako now. Daghan.
What?
Guwapo.
Look. So I'll go inside. Wait.
Ryan, take off your,
I'll stay pa.
lapel.
Huh?
Why?
Okay.
Okay.
Cause I will never.
What happened going to me?
Ow! Maga. Oh, kainit. Tinan ako.
Nice if early morning.
Oo, no?
Sobrang sarap yung sun.
Oo. Cause I will never. Great.
Yeah. Oh! I said early morning. Late morning. Maligo kaan?
Ambot lang. Init kaayo.
Yeah.
Di ko gusto mo itong taong. Itong na dyan.
What?
Tawang itong dyan. Kung maayo no.
Oo.
Tawa. Di ba kani? Kani. Anya.
Oo.
Sud sa ako. Oo, sige.
What?
Anya. Sige mo.
James, later.
Ay, tomorrow. I'll swim.
Night.
Tomorrow.
I want morning or night.
Maybe tomorrow. Pwede na.
Not 12 or not noon.
Too hot.
Angayan siya. Angayan nun sa itong.
Oo,
Diba?
ang ngayon siya no.
Angayan siya.
Itong ang sa iyo. Ako dilipod ang ano.
Ako kay masunog.
Devon, masud ka amin.
Oh,
Ikaw.
dito ako. Hindi.
Itong siya kami si Jenny.
Oo.
Do I want what?
Kim? Bon? Kim?
Sino mo? Kiming kayo?
Hindi.
Morning or night?
Morning.
Morning.
Sige, every morning swimming tayo.
Oh, every morning. Sige.
Every
Hindi
before
ako
shower
pwede.
After yung daily supply.
Meron pa.
Maka.
Oo, para yung...
Wala. No. Sabi. Baka tomorrow. Eternally. Kasi kung melody. Go, swimming. Ayaw niyo pa.
I want to swim, she said wait till the sun's going to set.
Hmm.